Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Antika from Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economic, State University of Jakarta. On this occasion, I will present my internship program report on the Work Unit Management and Internal Compliance section of the Kantor Pelayanan Perbendaharaan Negara Jakarta 6. Previously, I thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His mercy I can complete this internship program report. And also I would like to thank Mrs. Roro Ponco Dewi Karyaningsih as my internship program supervisor for her guidance and direction. Along with the increasingly rapid development of the times, science and technology also developed rapidly and sophisticatedly. Of course, this has an impact on the development of the world of work, where competition between humanizers is getting tighter. This is what underlies the internship program for Jakarta State University students, with the hope that after graduating, students are ready to face all challenges and intense competition in the world of work. To prepare graduates who are ready to compete in the world of work, graduates with superior competencies are needed in accordance with their respective fields. With the internship program, students gain new experience and knowledge and can improve their abilities and skills according to the competence of the field of study, and this can be used as a provision for students when they enter the real world of work. As for the purpose of the internship program activities are: the first, meet the internship program courses as one of the requirements for obtaining a bachelor degree in education. Second, increasing the competence of the practitioners in the field of office administration. Third, implementing the knowledge that has been obtained in lectures. Lastly, as a preparation for the practitioner to enter the real world of work. I carried out the internship program at the Kantor Pelayanan Perbendaharaan Negara Jakarta 6 or KPPN Jakarta 6 in the Work Unit Management and Internal Compliance section, which is located at Street Insinyur Haji Juanda, number 19, 5th floor of the Juanda KPPN Building, Central Jakarta. As for the implementation of the internship program, which is for 24 working days, from 25 January until 26 February 2021, with working hours from Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. until 5 p.m. The reason I carried out the internship program at KPPN Jakarta 6 was the location of the agency, which was not too far from where I live, as well as transportation facilities that were easily accessible. And I am interested in knowing and deepening knowledge about the administrative process at KPPN Jakarta 6. Kantor Pelayanan Perbendaharaan Negara Jakarta 6 is KPPN Type A1 as the power of the State General Treasurer to channel funds from the State Treasury to several work units in the Jakarta area. In 2012, the Minister of Finance Regulation number 169/PMK.01/2012 that 6 November 2012 was issued regarding the organization and work procedures of vertical agencies of the Directorate of Treasury as the basis for the establishment of Kantor Pelayanan Perbendaharaan Negara Jakarta 6. In order to improve service quality to the speed and accuracy of the process of disbursing funds in APBN implementation for spending unit and reducing the workload for implementing the APBN in several KPPS in the DKI Jakarta province. The vision of KPPN Jakarta 6 is to become a professional, modern, transparent, and accountable manager of the state treasury in the regions. And the mission of the KPPN Jakarta 6 includes: the first, realizing prudent, efficient, and optimal cash and investment management. Second, support the performance of budget execution in a timely, effective, and accountable manner. Third, realizing transparent and timely accountable state financial accounting and reporting. And the last, develop the supporting capacity of reliable, professional, and modern treasury system. The organizational structure at KPPN Jakarta 6 consists of two types of position, namely structural position and functional position. The structural position itself consists of an office head, one general subdivision head, and four section heads, namely the management and internal compliance section, the bank section, the fund disbursement section, and the accounting verification section. The field of work that I did during the implementation of the internship program in the work unit management and internal compliance section include secretarial, office technology, and computer and administration fields. Work in the secretarial field is related to all a series of activities for structuring office work, such as correspondence and other activities carried out as supporting activities so that organizational goals can be achieved smoothly. The work carried out in this field includes recording incoming letters, writing outgoing letters, and making meeting minutes. In the field of office technology, I do several job tasks including printing documents and scanning documents. And the work I do in the areas of computers and administration includes inputting shortcut specimen and designing the KPPN Jakarta 6 profile website. In carrying out a job, I always try to do it as well as possible. But in its implementation, there are still several obstacles. Among them, the first is a lack of attention in managing incoming mail. The steps in managing incoming mail have not been well cared for. So, when archive letters are needed, it takes a long time to find them again. To overcome these obstacles, I followed the steps for managing a good incoming letter, like what was taught in secretarial courses. This is in accordance with the theory according to Wursanto that in managing incoming mail, good and systematic steps are needed, which include letter recipient, sorting records, scheduling delivery direction, duplicating, and storing. The next obstacle is the lack of office machine to support the completion of work. The lack of office machine and the large number of jobs that require office machine as a means of support in completing work often become obstacles for in completing work. To overcome the problem of the lack of available office machine, I must be able to do good time management to avoid delays in work and avoid time conflict when changing to use the available office machine. This is related to time management, in which according Hidayanto, the goal of time management is to do it effectively and efficiently. One more obstacle faced when implementing the internship program is the lack of understanding of terms in the state treasury. The word of treasury is a new word for me, so there are still many terms in the treasury that I don't know. To overcome this problem, I have to take the initiative to find information related to terms that have not been understood from various sources, either as directly or find out via the internet, where, according to Lamkin et al., states that individual initiative affects the individual ability to understand and adapt to the work environment. The conclusion from the result of the internship program report is that the first implementation of the internship program is carried out at the Kantor Pelayanan Perbendaharaan Negara Jakarta 6 in the work unit management and internal compliance section. As for the fields of work that I did while carrying out the internship program, which includes secretarial, office technology, and computer and administration. While carrying out work, there are several obstacles that I have to face, and this can encourage me to be able to solve problems that occur during the implementation of the internship program. Suggestion for KPPN Jakarta 6 is, in terms of managing incoming mail, it is better to pay attention to the steps in accordance with good mail management, and the need for training activities for employees who do not have a special background or ability in the field of office administration. Suggestion for State University of Jakarta is, establish good relationship with companies or agencies and provide provision of theory and practice in accordance with the needs of the company today. Suggestion for me is, must have high initiative and be sensitive to the surrounding environment, and must be able to adapt to the leadership and employees as well as the organizational culture in the place where internship programs are implemented. That's the explanation of my internship program report. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.